Hey guys, I got a 2026 Chrysler Pacifica, and I want to show you what we're having with these cameras, these backup cameras. It's a 2026, and we're finding all kinds of issues with these cameras. I'm going to show you what we find, and unfortunately you can't buy just a wire harness. We have to buy the whole tailgate light assembly, and but let me show you what we find.
All right, so I know it's hard to figure out what you're looking at here, but this is the connector that goes on the back side of the camera. See the green dot? That's the corrosion. This is the back side of the light assembly. This is the camera, and we're going to take a look inside where the plug goes in to the camera itself, and you can see the corrosion, the green corrosion in there. That's what's causing all the issues. I don't know how the water's getting in there, but this is the connector on the back side of the camera again. Going to take a close-up, and as you can see, the green dot again on that connector. I tried to clean this out with some sandpaper and some pin connectors filing kits, but I was unsuccessful. I had to order a whole new harness and a camera. So unfortunately, this is what we're getting with the 24s to 26 Pacificas.
So hopefully this video helps. If you learn anything here today, guys, you know, like, subscribe, share. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate it. So any questions or comments, leave them in the box below. I'll be happy to answer for you. Take care, guys. See you in the next video.